Hello dear students, I hope all of you are doing very good and this video is going to find you in a very good condition, not being traumatized by your exam and not being tortured by your exam pressure. As it is your exam time, I'm always there to help you with some questions related to examination. So today I have come up here with questions related to Simpsons 1 by 3 rule. Before going to the question, let me write the formula of Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. And then, if you know the formula of the Simpson's 1 by 3 rule, the question or the problem solving related to the question of Simpson's 1 by 3 rule is not that difficult. It's very easy. It's just like putting the value in the formula and you'll get the answer. So, formula for Simpson's 1 by 3 rule is like this: fx dx is, this will not be exactly equal. We write the approximate value. Approximately, that intent, that mean to say that that is almost equal. Okay, approximately equal, not exactly equal. So we have h by 3 y0 plus 4 y1 plus y3 plus y and minus 1 2 y 2 plus y4 plus dot 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 y and minus 2 plus yn. Alright, so this is the formula for Simpson's 1 by 3 rule, and I will explain what does everything in this formula means while solving the problem. And to solve the problem, let me take one question, that is evaluate. I'll take one question from the book. Evaluate what we are going to do today is we are going to evaluate this without integration. We can easily calculate the value by integration method, but today we are not allowed to do it with integration method. And what we have to do is we have to find the value of this integral by putting the value in this Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. So that is what Simpson's 1 by 3 rule actually means. Okay, so first thing what we are going to do here in this problem is we have to compare this with this integral, comparing for 2x minus 3 dx with ab fx dx. What we get here is we get a is equal to 1, like here a, that means lower limit of this integral is 1, we get a is equal to 1, and upper limit of this integral is b, that is for b we get 4, and here n is given 6. Now we can easily calculate h, that is h is b minus a by n. We know what the value of b is and we know what the value of a is, and that is n is given there. So what we get here is h is equal to 1 by 2. If you solve this, then you will get 1 by 2. That's a very easy deal, not so big deal. That's why you solve this yourself. I don't think I have to explain all this. Now next one we have here is fx. So fx here is, you can compare this and this, so we get fx is equal to 2x minus 3. All right, then this h means the interval. H means the interval. Here a is the lower limit, that is first y0. Y0 means the functional value. When we put the value of x as a, that is to calculate y0, we have to make a box. We have to make the box like a x and y. Let's take it. If x0 is taken as 1, then y0 will be, what we'll get as y0 is, just you put this value of x in this function, what we get as y is 2 into 1 minus 3, that will be 2 into 1 minus 3, that will get -1. Now we have to calculate, we will get x1 by adding this interval in this first term. That is 1 plus 1 by 2 means 0.5. What we'll get is x1 is equal to 1.5 and y1 is equal to, for y1, just put this value of x1 in this x, you'll get the functional value when x is equal to 1.5. 2 into 1.5, that will make it 3. 3 minus 3, that will be 0. So y1, for y1 will get 0, and x2 for x2 again add this interval in this value. So adding 1.5 plus 0.5 will get 2, x2 will be 2, and if we calculate the functional value, and the value of x is 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 3, that will give us y2, and that will be 4 minus 3, that will give us positive 1, positive 1, and again we have to calculate x3 until we reach 4. We have to calculate it. X3 will be 2.5 and y3 will be, we have to calculate, and if we proceed so on until 4, we'll get one table.
Similarly, we get this table. After we get this table, what we have to do is we have to calculate this. Now 1 by 4 2x minus 3 dx is given by, for h we have 0.5, we can simply write 0.5 by 3 and y0. So for y0 we have -1 plus y1. As the suffix of this y has odd number, then we have to multiply it by 4. Like if there is 1, 3, we have to multiply it by 4. 1, 3, 5, 7, we have to multiply it by 4. And if the suffix number is even number, then we have to multiply it by 2. It is that simple. So what we are going to do here is, for y0, there is it is not being multiplied by any number, so we have to just write the value of y0, that is -1, and for y1 we have to multiply it by 4, and that is 4 into 0, plus for y2 we have to multiply it by 2, 2 into 1. For y2 it is 2 into 1, and for y3, as it is again, you can see this suffix is odd number, so if it is odd number, then it gets multiplied by 4. So 4 into y3, for y3 we have the value 2, 4 into 2, plus for y4, as it is even, 2 into 3, plus for y5, as it is odd number here, so it gets multiplied by 4 into 4. At last, y6 for us here in this problem is yn. That's why it doesn't get multiplied by any number, so we write 5. Alright, then if you can easily solve this, easily calculate this, we'll get, on solving this in calculator, we get the answer 6. So this is the solution for this problem of Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. I hope all of you will find it easy and you will not face any problem regarding Simpson's 1 by 3 rule in your examination. If you have any problem related to mathematics, then you may directly Viber me, or if you don't have my Viber number, then you may comment in comment section. I also request you to please subscribe my channel and increase my subscribers so that it will be easier for both of us to stay in live session and to solve each other's problem. Thank you all of you for watching this video. We'll meet soon in next video.